Good day, learners. Again, this is your teacher, Sir Mulan, and welcome to our new video tutorial. Continuation on the operation of integers. On my last video, I have discussed addition of integers. This time, let's proceed with subtraction of integers. Okay, so just like addition of integers, subtraction of integers, meron din siyang three cases. Subtraction of integers. Okay, so first case natin is that would be negative minus positive. The answer will be negative. Sample. I have negative 5 minus positive 3. So, kung ina-number line natin siya, guys, number line, kung sakaling medyo nalilito ka pa kung paano subtract, what if magagamit ito pag mga small yung mga numbers natin, pero pagka malalaki, we need to understand yung makikita nating pattern as we uh, progress or as we have more examples. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our starting point is negative 5. Our movement, since minus siya, to the left of our starting point by 3 places. So start tayo from negative 5, 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. And that would be negative 8. Para lang siyang negative minus positive. Parang parehong may minus, clue mo lang, pag parehong may minus, meron ka ng negative yung sagot. Then, itong dalawa, i-add mo lang. 5 plus 3 is 8. Minus, minus, minus. Okay. That will be our first case. Second case naman is we have positive minus negative. Yung sagot is magiging positive. Paano mangyari yon? So let's say we have positive 5. Example for our case, minus negative 3. Yan. So rewrite natin. Positive 5, negative times negative, magkakaroon ka ng positive. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 8, wala siyang plus sign, understood na positive siya. Okay? So, malinaw? So, I do hope malinaw, ha? So, now let's proceed with our third case. The subtraction of integers pa rin tayo. Subtraction of integers. So, yung third case natin is itong kanina, negative minus positive equals negative. Sunod si positive minus negative. Yung sagot is positive. Ngayon naman, yung third case is negative minus negative. So, ang mangyayari dyan, pag sinimplify mo siya, magiging negative plus. Negative times negative, magiging plus. So, magiging positive. So, i-apply pa rin natin dito yung use the sign, use the larger, pagka ito yung technique dyan, use the larger absolute number and its sign, yung sa sign niya sa answer na, and its sign, itong and its sign sa sagot na natin ibabalik. Pero pag gagamitin natin si absolute number muna, larger absolute number, then subtract lang natin. So, example tayo. Let's say I have negative 5 minus negative 3. Ayan na ha. Negative 5, rewrite natin. Negative 5, negative times negative, making positive. Positive 3. Kaya nga, negative positive. Dito na rin papasok yung rule na use the larger absolute number. Check natin, ano yung absolute number ni negative 5? 5 pa rin. Absolute number ni 3, still 3. Then subtract 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So, ayan ha, 2. And dito na papasok yung and its sign. Its sign. Kaya negative 2. Yung sagot dito is negative 2. So, let me explain using the number line. Pero dito ako magkukunin yun. Nung sinimplify natin to, naging negative 5 plus 3. So, had we 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. So, starting point is negative 5. Ayan. Movement to the right kasi plus. By how many places? 3 places to the right starting from negative 5. So, from negative 5, isa, dalawa, tatlo. Kaya naglan tayo sa negative 2. Okay, so another example naman. Baba ko lang to. Another example, I have, balik rin naman natin, negative 3 minus negative 5. So, simplify lang natin to. So, si first term, negative 3. So, si second term, yung operator niya magbabago kasi negative times negative magiging positive. So, negative times negative 5 may positive 5. And of course, pag ito magiging, papasok na yung ito. Hanapin natin yung absolute value. 5. Still 5. Negative 3, 3. Alin yung larger? Si 5. Subtract natin. 5 minus 3, that would be 2. And its sign. So, ano yung sign? Ayan na. Sign ni 5. Originally. So, kaya positive 2. Kaya, explain ko itong portion na to in a form of a number line. So, gamit ako na ibang kulay, gamitin ko na tong given na yung unang ginawang number line. This time, I'm going to use red. Yun. So, starting point, say kay negative 3. Ito, starting point. And yung movement to the right. By how many places? 5 places to the right starting from negative 3. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayun. Kaya yung sagot is 2. Positive 2. Okay, so what if we use large number? So let's say I have negative 1,000 minus 359. Pagka ito nga, yung rule number 1, negative minus positive, ang mangyayari is, magiging ng negative yung sagot. Kasi pareho ka ng merong minus sign. Kaya yon. And gawin na lang natin dito sa mga number na to is i-add lang natin sila. 1,000 plus 359, 1,359. Negative nga lang kasi parehong, ayan o, minus, negative, minus, yun. Kaya ito yung sagot. Next, what if positive naman si 1,000? Then, nag-minus tayo ng negative 359. O yan, rewrite natin ha, 1,000. Then ito, we have to simplify this. Itong portion na to, i-read ko. I-simplify natin itong negative times negative. Kaya magiging na siyang negative times negative, magiging positive. 359. So 1,000 plus 359 is equals to 1,359. Positive 1,359. Let's say parehong negative. Negative 1,000 minus negative 359. Ayan, rewrite natin. Kasi merong minus minus or pag nagkaroon ganito, isa positive, isa negative, or parehong negative, we have to simplify it. So, rewrite natin. Negative 1,000 as yung first term. Then ito, yung negative times negative, magiging positive 359. Ayan na. Pagka ganito, negative, tapos positive, use the larger absolute number, and that would be 1,000. Absolute value ni 359 is still 359. Then, subtract. So, 0 minus 9 cannot be. Hiram ka, wala ka mahihiraman kay 0, wala ka rin mahihiraman kay 0. Kaya, naging 10, 9, 9. So, yan. So, 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. And its sign, yung original. Ano yung sign niya? Negative. So, negative 641. O, last na lang. Balik na rin naman natin. Sabi natin, negative 359. Um, yun. Minus negative 1,000. O, yan. Pagka may kaganto ha, yan sa gitna ha, sisimplify natin yan. Paano yung simplify? Yun. Rewrite ko lang si first term. Negative 359. Negative times negative, may siyang positive 1,000. Ayan. Use the larger absolute number. And we know for sure, yung absolute value ni 359 or negative 359 is still 359. And absolute value ni 1,000 is equals to 1,000. So use the larger number, 1,000. Use the larger number, then subtract 359. All right, so may isang 10, 9, 9. Sana hindi problema na to. Kuha na 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. And what is the sign of the larger number? Positive. So magiging positive 641 or simply 641. Ayan na yung sagot. Alright. So, I do hope may natutunan sa video ito. See you on my next video, and that would be multiplication of integers. Alright. So, God bless and see you on my next video.